Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese kottu at home. First, gather all your ingredients like roti, cheese, and your favorite vegetables. Next, prepare the roti by shredding it into small pieces. Then, you'll sauté your chosen vegetables and spices to create a delicious base. Finally, combine everything and melt the cheese for that perfect creamy finish. Let's start with the preparation. You'll need about 4 to 5 pieces of Gadhamba roti or any similar flatbread, shredded into small 1-inch pieces. Next, chop 1 large onion, 2 green chilies, and a handful of fresh curry leaves. Also, dice about 1 cup of your favorite mixed vegetables, like carrots and cabbage, for added texture and nutrition. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan or griddle over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, green chilies, and curry leaves, sautéing them until they become fragrant. Then, toss in your diced vegetables and cook until they are tender crisp. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric for a burst of flavor. It's time for the star ingredient. Add the shredded roti to the pan and mix it thoroughly with the sautéed vegetables and spices. Next, incorporate 1/2 cup of grated cheddar cheese and 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. Stir continuously until the cheese is completely melted and beautifully coats all the kottu. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve your delicious homemade cheese kottu hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.